MDC Mobile Data Center. The Industrial Engineering Mobile Data Center was developed in the first quarter of 2019. The main goal in this development is to welcome the era of digitalization in the manufacturing area as an important parameter in monitoring and improvisation that is more faster, more accurate and on target. The MDC application supports the Android operating system and can be installed on all Android smartphone systems, so this application is very easy to use anytime and anywhere. MDC application from PTNPC provides 10 categories as digitalization parameters to support work effectiveness, especially in manufacturing production. First, industrial engineering technical monitoring. Accurate means of problem solving by using quality monitoring for each process. Inline QC/mobile QC will provide real-time check results according to actual conditions. Inline defect report accompanied by a photo of defects found by inline QC with the process name and operator name. Percentage in bold is critical process and red block is process that has frequent defects more than once a day. Part checking procedure is 6 PCS for normal processes and 10 PCS for critical processes. Second, multi-skill report update. This menu serves as a calculation for giving incentives to employee/sewing operators based on the capacity and ability of skills in mastery of machines. Has 4 grades. Grade A, B, C, and D, each of which has different figures according to the ability of the skill it has. Real-time updated data will be in accordance with the standard working sheet and the results will be correlated with the formula as incentive nominal. Providing incentives for operators, employees will refer to the ability skills for the past 1 year. Third, internal PPM preparation data and documents. As documentation of the preparation of each style given by the relevant department. This filling level will start from the 5 existing departments with additional comments. PPIC, sample, mechanic, industrial engineering and quality control, and additional from the factory manager. The summary in the data report will be used as the main material when the final PPM is held.
Fourth, final PPM locking system.
This menu is a development of the previous menu which functions as a locking system so that data that has become a joint commitment when internal PPM becomes valid data and cannot be re-edited, so that it does not cause a different decision if it will be produced in more than one line. This content is privacy in nature so that all comments that have been written can only be locked through access to the Industrial Engineering Department as admin and Quality Assurance as the main executor. The selection of the Quality Assurance team as the locking trigger is not without reason because it is neutral or as a police in the production WIP stream with all the standards determined by the buyer/consumer.
Fifth, standard working sheet all operators.
This menu contains all the activities of each sewing operator with the content of the machine's mastery capability, process name and grade value that is shown from each process after the style is done in bulk production. There are 4 points available. Grade A, if the attainment of SMV efficiency is more than 80%. Grade B, if the attainment of efficiency SMV is between 70%-80%. Grade C, if the SMV efficiency attainment is more than 60%-70%. Grade D, if the attainment of SMV efficiency is below 60%, the system will collect data from SWS using a worksheet that will be shared when the new style has passed the changeover period and must be filled in by all sewing operators before the first output meeting is held.
Sixth, matrix skill project.
This menu is a development of the SWS which has been perfected by grouping process and machine mastery capabilities according to the name of each operator. The purpose of this separation is to determine the ability of each sewing operator as a base for placement when performing internal layout commitments. Supervisors and AMP chiefs, production manager, can monitor the progress of each operator level so that they can be more on target if the operator is placed on machine and process expertise that they master properly. Monitoring skill training schedule provided by IE Technical.
7th. Digital invitation.
The basic concept is to use the visual board, LED TV 43 at the end of each production line as a reminder of the agenda for meetings from other departments. This is to control and work time effectiveness so as to avoid the process of waiting for each other if a meeting is scheduled.
8th. Breakdown machine list real-time report.
BML displays the accumulated damage to the machine in detail in daily real time. The performance data of each mechanic in repairing a damaged machine will be recorded in detail, response time, waiting time and repair time, with the hope that it can be used as an evaluation indicator for each mechanic in order to improve its performance in serving production. Time and the estimated cost of the damaged machine will be accumulated monthly. Machine type, machine brand and type of damage are presented in a single frame pie diagram which makes it easy to read the frequency of the machine experiencing the highest damage. Nine. Training. Menu to view training data for each personal employee, and the data is the result of training for each department or training from other departments. Training goal. See the performance of each individual from the results of the training that has been followed, including sewing operators have attended any process training that he has attended. Evaluation. If there is a not pass score from the value limit determined by the training development team, retraining will be carried out to improve the performance of each individual employee. 10. NO3M. To find out the performance of each operator or sewing line that has carried out the No3M campaign, the data is taken from the results of the time check based on smartphone or tablet conducted by the IE log team when taking the time check.